many of you are having an email IDs? Everybody is having an email IDs.
Yes.
So how often you interact with your friends through email IDs?
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Good. And can you tell me when you are written a letter to your friends or relatives by post? No, I cannot imagine a single day, not even a single day, I cannot imagine a single hour without any internet. I read newspapers and everything by net instead of going through the hard copies. And whenever I need some data regarding anything, maybe it may be related to my studies, it may be related to my job, I'll be going to my laptop and I'll be browsing the required information. And you won't believe, I get whatever I want on my in the books and all those things to collect the data and to retrieve the data. Now it has become a very easy for us to get the data and to collect the data, not only primary data, even the secondary data. Instead of maintaining the books and instead of maintaining the book racks and all those things, it is just a click away from us. You can have whatever the information you want by sitting in front of your system. It may be the information related to the US, it may be related to your neighbor, and it may be related to anywhere part of the world. Most of the people who are sitting here, they will be doing the net banking facility. Instead of going to the bank and standing in the line and making the transactions over the counter itself. And even the bankers prefer to do that one through the net banking. So which will be saving a lot of time and lot of wastage of time. Will be saving a wastage of time by doing the transaction over the net. And I think 4 or 5 years back, no one expected that we will be able to do all those things by using the internet. Myself, as a personally, I never expected that we will be reaching to such a situation that we will be dependent on internet so much. And my day starts with the internet. Once I wake up in the morning at 7 o'clock, I'll go through the net, I'll check all the mails related to my personal and related to my official this one. So I'll be answering my mails and personal mails as well as official mails from 7 o'clock onwards. And I'll be getting the guidance and drive from my senior people by the mails itself. They'll be asking me to go this, like this and all those things. And apart from that, I'll be chatting with my superiors who is sitting in other places, other parts of the country. One of my boss will be sitting in New Delhi. He'll be directing me saying that you follow like this, you follow like this. And he'll be sending some links which will be useful for me. And I think today afternoon also, Mr. Ramchandran shared some of the links which will be useful for us. Am I correct?
Yes.
So if whatever data you want, you'll be getting in internet. It is just a click away from us. Maybe even the doctors, even the lawyers, everybody, they will go through the internet to get the information. Instead of going and finding out from the library and instead of going out and finding out with your superiors and peers, people will be going to the net center and doing that. And I remember 5-6 days back, there are very few internet centers and they used to charge 20 to 30 rupees per hour. Now I think they are maximum 10 rupees and you will be having a very good bandwidth and all those things. And we never expected that it will be like now there are so many places we will be having internet through cables. I never expected it is going to be like this. As far as I am concerned, definitely it is a good revolution in our system, and I think in future also it is going to improve our living style as well as in technology and everything. And somebody expected that even we can browse the net through mobile. Now it is possible of making the transaction and browsing the net through the mobile. And I think in India especially this credit goes to Mr. P.V. Narasimha Rao, who had implemented all the new technology into the India by allowing foreign companies and foreign investment directly into the India.
Exactly.
And before that we never thought of that India is going to be like this. And the main boom for this internet is because of the telecom revolution. And nobody expected that telephones are going to be like this what we are using now. Do you think it is almost 1.5 times equivalent to our population? And I tell you, in US and other parts of the country, it is not at all possible to run a single day without the connection of internet. When you go to US and any other country, when you enter into the country itself, you will be going for internet connection and mobile connection. So if you want to go to some other place, you have to Google it and you have to follow the Google map to how to reach there and all those things. Like in India, we cannot go and ask them how to go to Secunderabad and how to go to Malapet like that. In US, you have to follow the Google map and all those things. When you Google into that, you have to enter the starting location and you have to enter your target location. Then it will give the direction. How many kilometers it is far from your residence and how many minutes it will take to reach there. You will be surprised, you will be having information that every 500 meters, you will be having, you have to take a right turn after going 500 minutes. You will be having a left turn after going 1000 minutes like that. It is only possible because of the internet. And even somebody was referring that even the example of that will be useful for us. If you have some pain in your hands and legs, if you can just Google it that I'm having a pain at so and so center, you'll be having so many solutions for that. And in internet you'll be having so many different sites. What I mean to say is counseling sites. You'll be having a counseling sites, and you'll be having some sites which will give a solution to the problems also. I've seen so many places in somebody, the person who is working in the IT industry will be having some problem in resolving his solution, in resolving his problem. What he will do, simply he will post his problem in the net, and he will be getting the solution for that one in next 1 to 2 hours time. So I mean to say that the internet is a very useful tool for the last 5 to 10 years, and I think it is going to improve in the coming future also, and definitely I cannot imagine a single day without internet connection.